For 25 years, when you had a question, you Googled it. But in 2026, millions of people are quietly switching to something better. It's called perplexity. Imagine a search engine that actually answers your question instead of handing you 10 links full of ads. No scrolling, no clicking through 5 websites, just the answer with sources. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Perplexity, why people are calling it the Google killer, and how to get the most out of it. Let's dive in. So what exactly is Perplexity? Perplexity is an AI-powered answer engine. Instead of searching the web and giving you links, it reads the web for you in real time, then writes a clear, direct answer with the sources listed right below. Think of it as a research assistant that has already read the entire internet. Getting started is easy and free. Go to perplexity.ai or download the app. You can start using it immediately without even signing up, but creating a free account lets it remember your history and preferences. No credit card needed to begin. Let's look at the screen. It's beautifully simple. There's one search box in the center. That's it. No clutter. You type your question, just like you'd ask a person, and press enter. Below your answer, you'll see numbered sources. These are the websites Perplexity used, so you can verify anything and dig deeper. On the left, your past searches are saved as threads, so you can return to any topic later. Clean, simple, and focused on one thing, getting you answers fast. Now, how to actually use it well. The secret is to ask questions naturally, in full sentences, just like you're talking to a knowledgeable friend. Instead of typing keywords like best laptop 2026, ask, what is the best laptop for a college student under 60,000 rupees for programming? Perplexity understands the full context and gives you a tailored answer. And here's the powerful part. You can ask follow-up questions. After it answers, just type, what about battery life? And it remembers the conversation. This is where it completely beats traditional search. It's a conversation, not a list of links. Here's a feature most beginners miss. It's called focus. Before you search, you can tell Perplexity where to look. You can focus on the whole web for general questions. You can focus on academic papers for serious research. You can focus on YouTube to find videos. Or focus on Reddit to see real human opinions and discussions. This one feature makes your searches far more precise. Doing research for a project? Use academic. Looking for honest product reviews? Use Reddit. It's like having several specialized search engines in one. Next, let's talk about the power modes. When you click the mode selector on the search bar, you'll see a few options. The default is search, which handles most everyday questions instantly. But for serious research, choose deep research. Turn this on, and Perplexity reads dozens of sources, runs multiple searches, and builds a complete, cited report in just a few minutes. It's perfect for market research, comparisons, and detailed topics. There's also Learn Step by Step, which breaks a topic down and teaches it to you piece by piece. Great for studying. You can also upload files. Just click the plus icon, drop in a PDF, a document, or an image, and ask questions about it. Summarize this report. Or, what does this contract say about payment terms? It reads the file and answers instantly. So when should you use Perplexity instead of Google? Use it for research, comparisons, learning, and any question where you want a real answer, not a list of links. Keep using Google for quick things, like a restaurant's opening hours or directions. But for anything that requires actual understanding, Perplexity wins. Now, pricing. The free version is genuinely excellent and enough for most people. The Pro version is about $17 a month, giving you unlimited pro searches and access to the most advanced AI models. For students and researchers, it's worth every rupee. So that's how to use Perplexity. Ask questions in full sentences. Use follow-ups to go deeper. Use focus to control where it searches. Turn on Pro Search for complex topics. And upload files to analyze them instantly. Once you start using it this way, you'll understand why so many people are leaving Google behind. Try replacing your next 5 Google searches with Perplexity and see the difference for yourself. If this helped you, subscribe to TamcastHub for more.